Hello teacher, my name is Livia Esperanza Vaquero Suárez. My presenters, Monterrey Casanare. Presentation. Here you must treat the adventure experience and the possibility of doing sport. Also you could canoe and learn about the story from the birthplace of the Chipchak tribe. 3 days and 2 nights. First day, first of all locals we are going to stay. That is a strategic place that is relatively close to everything. Then stay and make the plan that we are going to make. Find a good restaurant, eat and rest for the next day. Second day. You have two opportunity to try the different options of playing sports such as coleo, playing war, and livestock. You can take a walk through the main park La Paz. Third day, you must visit the different to- tourist cities such as the Algarroba, Waterfall, the Rock, Vampire Cave, and Caño Grande. Means of transportation. The means of transportation that the can be used during the trip are the taxi, motorcycles, car private, and boats. Place to stay. During the trip, you can stay at a hotel, for example, the Los Lagos Centro Vacacional Hotel, and of course the Aguamaco Country Hotel. Typical foods. During the stay, you should enjoy typical foods such as fin de famous carne aurea, carne de planisman, and are often accompanies the wind potato, yuca, and guacamole, accompanied the weak wheats made with the fruits of the region. Foods. El cost to enjoy this on the full tourist plan per person is 5,000 pesos, includes 3 days, 2 nights, lodging, food, comprehensive travel insurance, and recourse insurance. Thank you.